Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, right now we are discussing about rational numbers. Okay, and now we are solving questions in exercise 1.3. Now children, let's see problem number 3. Find x plus 5 divided by x minus 5 if x is equal 5 by 2, y is equal minus 3 by 4 and x is equal 1 by 4, y is equal to 3 by 2. So children, there are two problems in this bit. So exactly both are similar. I will explain first problem, you can try the second problem. Okay now? Now let's see the first problem in third bit. X is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to what? Minus 3 by 4. X is equal to 5 by 2, y is equal to minus 3 by 4. So children, now we need to find x plus y divided by x minus y. X plus y divided by x minus y. So children, first let's find x plus y value, then x minus y. So then we can substitute here to get the answer. So first I am finding x plus y value, children. X plus y is equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. So children, 5 by 2 plus into minus 3 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4, children. So when the multiples of the same numbers there, then the highest multiple will be LCM, children. See 2, 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4. 4 is the largest multiple of 2 in 2 table. So we will take 4 as the LCM. Now this LCM should be divided by denominator of the first fraction. Okay, so divide 4 with 2. 2 2s are 4. So what is the quotient? 2. That quotient into numerator. 2 5s are 10. And in between minus symbol is there, so keep as it is. 4 1s are 4. 1 is the quotient. That 1 into numerator 3. 1 3s are 3. So 10 minus 3 by 4 is, children, 7 by 4. Now we got the value of x plus y. Okay now. Now we need to find x minus y value, children. Okay. Now we need to find x minus y value. So what is x, children? 5 by 2. Okay. X is 5 by 2 minus y is 3 by 4. Okay. Y is minus 3 by 4. I'm sorry. Minus 3 by 4. So children, here 5 by 2 minus y value minus 3 by 4. So after minus symbol, if we want to write the negative number, we must put that thing in brackets. Okay. So 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. Okay. So children, 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 4. So LCM is what? 4 as we solved here. So children, here same thing, but here in between plus is there. So 10 plus 3 will come. Okay, so 10 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 13 by 4. Now what they are asking us to find, children? We got x plus y value and x minus y value. So they are asking us to solve x plus y divided by x minus y. So that is, children, 7 by 4 divided by 13 by 4. 7 by 4 divided by 13 by 4. So children, multiplication, division of two fractions. So how to do its division? So already we have learned this concept in class 7th, children. First fraction we will write as it is. 7 by 4 as it is we will write. And next, this divisibility symbol is there, no? We have, instead of that, we have to put into symbol, and after putting here into, so whatever the number there after the division symbol, whatever the fraction is there, we have to take its reciprocal, because here we kept into, no? So 7 by 4 into 4 by 13. So children, both numerator same, 4 and 4 here. 4 ones are 4 ones are. What is left? 7 ones are 7 and 13 ones are 13. So children, 7 by 13 is the answer. Okay. 7 by 13 is the answer. So this is the value of x plus y divided by x minus y. Even children, here we solve second problem also in the same way. Here x is equal to 1 by 4 is there, y is equal to 3 by 2 is there. First we will find x plus y as it is. Here there is no symbol, so directly we will add. So next, x minus y. After finding the values like this, we will write x plus y divided by x minus y. So first fraction divided by second fraction. First fraction into reciprocal of the second fraction we will take. Then we will simplify. We will get the answer. Okay. Children, now let's see problem number 4. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so children, first we have to take sum of these two numbers. Okay, so children, see sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Okay, so children, so take the sum minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Okay, so its sum should be divided by product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, children, first we will add these numbers 5 and 7. Children, these are the co-prime numbers. To the co-prime numbers, its product only LCM. So 5 7s are 35. So here we will get 35. First we need to divide this LCM with the denominator of the first fraction. 5 7s are 35. 7 is the quotient. That's 7 into numerator. Means in numerator minus 13 into 7 we will get plus 12 into this 35 should be divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. So 12 into 5. So children, what that is equal to 13 7s are 91. So minus into plus is minus. So minus 91. Okay. 13 7s are 91. So minus 91 plus 12 5s are 60 children by 35. Okay, 12 7s are 91. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 91 plus 12 5s are 60 by 35. So children, minus 91 plus 60 value is minus 31 by 35. Why here big number is 91? It has minus symbol. We have to subtract 60 from 91. Then we will get 31. And because it has big number has minus symbol, result will be negative. Negative 31 by 35 is the result. Okay. Now product of. Now we need to find product of minus 13 by 7, okay, minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So two negative numbers children, minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus, product of the numerators by product of the denominators. So minus minus plus children, 13 ones are 13 by 7 twos are 14. Okay, we got 13 by 14 these products. Now what is the question children? Divide the sum of these two numbers with the product of these two numbers. So that sum divided by, what is sum? Minus 31 by 35. Okay, minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. So children, first fraction into reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 13 by 14? That is 14 by 13. Okay, now, so children, 7 is a common factor to 35 and 14. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Now children, product of the numerators by product of the denominators. There are no common factors more. So 31 2s are 62 children, minus into plus minus. So minus 62 by 13 5s are 65. Or 5 13s are 65. So children, this is the final answer. In this way we will solve this problem. Now let's see problem number 5. And children, this is very important problem. Many times repeatedly they are asking this question in examination. So see, you can put star mark. So repeated concept, mostly they are asking this question. If 2/5 of a number exceeds 1/7 of the same number by 36, find the number. So one number is there children, in that 2/5 part is exceeding its 1/7 part and the difference is 36. What is that number? So children, here we can assume that number as x. So let the number be x children. Okay, let the number be x. So what is the 2/5 of a number? What is 2/5 of a number? 2/5 of means into that number is x. So 2x by 5 is that number. 2/5 of a number is 2x by 5. What is 1/7 of a number? 1/7 of a number. So of means into 1 by 7 into x. Of means into. So that is x by 7 or 1x by 7, x by 7. Both are same. Okay, 1 pen or pen. Both are indicating the same meaning, right? So here instead of 1x we can write x by 7. Yeah. Now, so it's exceeding this number by 36 children. According to the sum. Okay. According to the sum, what we can write? 2x by 5 exceeding x by 7 by 36. Means 2x by 7. Okay, x by 7 is equal to 36. Means children, this 2x by 5. Sorry, 2x by 5 is exceeding x by 7 by 36, children. So exceeding means what? 2x by 5 is more than x by 7. So here we can put minus symbol. 2x by 5 is more than x by 7. So we can write 2x by 5 minus x by 7 is equal to 36. Now children, we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. These are co-prime numbers, so that is 35. So 5 sevens are 35. 7 into 2x, children, that is 14x. Minus 7 5s are 35. That 5 into numerator x, so that is minus 5x is equal to 36. So children, 14x minus 5x value. 14x minus 5x value is 9x. Okay, here is right. 9x by 35 is equal to 9x by 35 is equal to 36. Now children, we are finding the value of x, that x is our required number. That x is our required number. So x is equal to 36 by 35 becomes into 35 into 9 becomes by 9. So 9 ones are 9 fours are. So x is equal to 35 fours are. Okay, so that is 140. 140. So children, what is our required number? 140. Therefore that number x is equal to 140. Okay, so children, in this way we will solve this problem. So students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. And children, you can find the previous videos in description and also in playlist of the chapter rational numbers and the other chapters. So students, thank you for watching and please subscribe and share my channel. Bye.